Feeling a little art craft crazy? Hi, I'm Donna from Art Craft Crazy, and have you ever wondered what colour goes with what? This flower is a perfect example. Anything that you see in nature, you can use those colours in your craft. So here's a beautiful example of some colours that go together. You'll see them everywhere. I've got something to show you that I use, and I've got it on my website. It's a free resource and it's called Paletton, and you can get it from my website artcraftcrazy.com. Go to my main menu at the top here to resources, scroll down to color scheme designer. Click on that and it'll open up into this page. Once you get to this page, click on the paletton.com link. So it's really colourful from the get-go. So you put your left mouse down on this little dot here on the colour wheel, and you just move your mouse round and round the outside. Then if you want to choose the colours from the middle, you put your left mouse click down on those little dots in the middle. They also stretch in and out, and whatever colour you're on, the colour number will show up in this little box here, and that is always the main colour. So you'll see that there. As you move that around, the main colour, the numbers change there, and the example box or the preview box will show up over here as well. Now in the preview colour layout, you can look at it in alternative, circles. There's a few there on the list. Just have a look at them and we'll go back to the default. You can hover over each square. It shows you the RGB of that colour. That's the number. If you want to use it, you just write down that number. So if you find a colour that you want, it'll show you variations. So I've moved it now to the blue. So you can move these circles anywhere you want. So we're only looking at the inside of the circle now, and see how many different blues you can get. You can go from the whitish blue to the grey blue to the purpley blue, and you just move it all the way around anywhere you like within this inside circle. And you do that by left mouse click and holding down on those circles. Now if you want to just move one colour, hold down your shift key on one of those dots and just move one of those dots out. Now see in the preview on the right, only one of those dot colours are changing, and you can move that anywhere you like. This is ideal if you're looking for something that you're just not sure what colour will go with it. Go back to the outside circle. It'll highlight up as soon as your mouse hovers over it. Change the colour to pink and you can do exactly the same. Move those dots. I'm moving it as a group because I'm just selecting one at the end. Moving it in, out, stretch it any way you like, spin it around. If you move inside, it's only the inside one that will do anything. The same as I've done before, if you hold your left mouse and your shift key together on one of those circles, you can pick any one of them and drag it out. You can drag it anywhere you like in this inside ring. We'll come back to the outside ring and change the colour to green. And now I'm going to show you how to add a second colour. So in the right hand side we've just got green. So just look up here and we're going to add a complementary second colour. So just click on it and it'll just automatically add it. Now look at the colour wheel. There's a dot on the reddish colour at the top and a dot on the green at the bottom. That's the colours that will show up in the preview box. When you hover over them, the numbers will show up. as I said before, the main colour, the base colour they call it, shows up in this main number box. You can do the same as before with the two colours. You can change them. You can share your palette. Just say you want to show that to someone, and say you're designing something for someone, you're working on something and you want to show them this colour palette. Click on this share palette. It'll take you to the paletton link. So you just copy and paste this link. So you can send it in an email. You can pop it into your private messages in Facebook and share it. So you've got another feature here, which is the presets. So click on that and it'll give you a whole assortment of presets. So click on one of those presets, it'll show up in the preview on the right. They're pretty handy and you don't have to go searching through all the colours. And the examples will show you what it would look like on a website. So this is those colours just on a white page. This is on a dark page. This is their positive design. And this is the negative design. And we're looking at the two colours, remember? And we'll go back. And click back on the preview. Just go have a look at it now with text, see what it would look like. You can choose white or black text. So we'll go back and select the default again. If you want to go out of the preset, just go back here by clicking on the colours. There's a few more things you can do up here. You've got an undo button, the reset, randomise, and some more info. That is a pretty cool tool. I hope you get some use out of it. I use it all the time. I'm Donna from Art Craft Crazy. Thanks for watching and bye for now.